Okay, let us look at the question 6, find min and max. Look at the question, find min and max. Save this as find answer, find min and max. Question, find min and max, and file save as answer. Okay, let's go back to question. Without using Python max and min functions, you need to write two functions that which finds minimum and maximum number in a given list. Your function find min and find max should return minimum and maximum number respectively in a given input list. If your written code is correct, assert should not give you any error. Okay, here I have these numbers. I need to fill these two code. Maximum numbers, I am creating these maximum numbers, and I have this find min and find max. If I run it right now, of course it will give me an error. Okay, since I am not returning anything. Okay, how can I find minimum and maximum numbers? I can start if length numbers greater than 0. You do not if there is no numbers, what can I return? I cannot return anything, but I should have something in my list, and therefore I am starting with the minimum number equals to numbers 0, and for num in numbers, if if num is lesser than minimum number equals to num, and here return minimum number. That's it. Again, I have this tops and convert indentation to tops. Okay, and here I need to use indent using tops. I have this problem again. If I run this one, I need to get, I think, yeah, this, since the maximum is the first one, I need to write maximum also. And what does it change? Only I need to this for minimum number, I'm using this maximum. Okay, and it starts with the maximum number instead of that one. If it is larger than the maximum number, it should work. And here, as you can see, these are my numbers and it works. And find maximum and find minimum is correctly returned. Even if you run without this if statement, I will accept your answer. This is only for checking that I am not sending an empty list here.